High-end fruit processing machines that handle fruits help food manufacturers upgrade their processes for efficiency and profitability. The machine aims to reduce waste and increase business efficiency. A compact electric processor that meets all your food processing requirements, whether chopping, slicing, or grinding. This versatile machine excels with remarkable efficiency. The carrot peeler can peel carrots in a special way, and the effect is excellent. If you are a French fry lover, here is how these stores create delicious French fries. The ACMT turkey cutting solution from Merrill Poultry is a big step forward in turkey processing. This ensures that the cutting and processing of the turkey is done in the most efficient and precise manner, thereby helping to optimize production and ensure the quality of the final product. Merrill Poultry's combination of advanced technology and long-standing experience provides a comprehensive and reliable solution for the poultry meat processing industry. Frontmedic Pork Solutions brings an extremely diverse and effective product line to the pork industry. In particular, the A-Gull automatic primitive bone cutting and deboning line is an important part of the production process. This line is designed to operate automatically, helping to optimize the process of cutting and deboning pork. This saves time and labor, while ensuring precision and high efficiency in the production process. With this solution from Frontmedic, businesses in the pork industry can achieve maximum production efficiency and ensure final product quality that meets market requirements. This is an important introduction to the role of robotics in the meat industry and provides an in-depth look at the leading robotic solutions in the meat industry. Meat processing industry. With long experience in product diversity, they provide automation solutions for meat cutting, packaging, processing, and slaughtering. Scott serves multiple segments in the industry, including beef, poultry, lamb, and sheep, and offers 24/7 support. Collaboration with Meat and Livestock Australia is also a key part of their technology development. The main Physic inline femoral debridement machine is the most compact femoral debridement machine with the highest capacity. It allows the processing of 15,000 whole thighs per hour into high-quality thigh fillets, with or without skin, and excellent quality drumsticks. In just a few short seconds, a series of tomatoes roll through the conveyor belt, neatly arranged into trays according to their exact weight to the milligram. To prepare wraps, sandwiches, and baguettes, the AI provide automatic production lines that can be assembled from many standard modules according to customer requirements. The line is designed in consultation with the customer based on the desired function and capacity. These lines are characterized by a high degree of automation and a higher level of line control. Automation in food manufacturing processes requires some unique considerations not found in other production or manufacturing environments. This is especially relevant in the handling of primary food items, where automation infrastructure and instrumentation come into direct contact with raw, processed, and frozen food items. If you like our videos, please comment number 1. Chop the entire block of cheese at once. The RG400i cheese shredder shreds up to 2.9 tons of cheese per hour, is user-friendly and easy to clean. The machine and accessories are completely stainless steel. The operator manually places 30 eggs at once into the loading tray with a provided stainless steel tray. The machine automatically takes eggs from the loading tray and moves them through an automated cutting and shell opening blade. Then the yolk and white flow down a separate path to separate the yolk from the white. Anyone who doesn't like eating sandwich cakes, comment with a 0. The world's most modern meat grinder is here. The Seal Pack is 7 Max for minced meat. If you find these modern food industry machines interesting, comment with a 1 down below. This cake cutting machine can cut at a production speed ranging from 80 to 1,500 pastries or baked goods per hour. Wow! It's unbelievable how specialized this machine is. Learn more about Merrill's chicken fillet solutions from Makelesike to see how advanced this machine is. This machine is designed to perfectly integrate with the rest of the production line to create a highly efficient end-to-end solution for the food industry. Its performance is beyond the imagination of business owners. Tight Chicken, an improved leak-proof and fully hygienic packaging solution for whole chickens. How to make tomato sauce. The process of harvesting and processing tomatoes using modern technology. Scott successfully designed, built, and installed an efficient multi-line queuing system at the leading Czech dairy producer, Saventia Fromage and Dairy. The process includes handling a variety of products from 4 production lines, and a notable feature is the flexibility in queuing for dairy products. The system is designed to handle a wide range of products and includes sections such as case conveyors, stackers and elevators, buffer tables, pallet handling systems, and high feed layers. In particular, the use of alternating plate pressing equipment helps optimize stacking and enhance production efficiency. The success of this project demonstrates Scott's capabilities and experience in creating flexible and effective automation solutions, and demonstrates their commitment to supporting businesses in their food industry, improves productivity and production efficiency. This is a mobile fruit processing line, which offers a great opportunity to be a part of the juice production process right at your workplace. It has a capacity of the entire line of 1,500 kilograms per hour and accommodates all the necessary machinery for juice production and smooth workflow. This is a machine that peels and crushes up to 20 mangoes per minute. I think this is a machine that suits everyone's needs. The production of Korean dumplings is huge, and the taste is the best. Thank you very much for inventing this machine. They're really on a different level. The most interesting part of the video is the onion turners so they align. It's amazing how fast and accurate the machine is. Make beautiful bread. I like the machine that cuts ham into square pieces. Imagine using it at home to make a ham salad. the perfect quality of each product. What a strong, pleasant fragrance behind the production of Oreo! Whoever invented this machine made a lot of dough. Fruit juice is made with high technology. The production process is amazing. The texture is amazing. Delicious taste. High heat. My mouth is watering while watching it. Next comes the watermelon wedge equipped with a 3-position turntable. The turntable moves the watermelon to the next position during processing. Watermelon is placed manually in the first position. After moving to the second position, the melon will be cut into 2, 4, or 6 equal pieces. After the cutting process, the table moves to the third and final position. Here, the melon is gently tilted out of the machine, and the pieces slide carefully into the stainless steel gutter. This compact, semi-automatic machine is ideal for processing optimized for efficient deseeding and halving of sweet peppers, with high quality and minimal effort. Maybe you don't know yet because of this modern machine. The processing of shrimp is faster. The production line of dryers and ginger mills. How to make tomato sauce. The process of harvesting and processing tomatoes using modern technology. Surprised! An overwhelming mass production site in a giant ham factory. Probake manufacturing and manufacturing equipment. the process of mass-producing delicious food. It's extremely relaxing. Well, this proves the old saying, if you knew how they were made, you would never eat them. But again, it also made me want to light the oven. Next is a machine that weighs frozen potato chips into bags with a modern multi-head weighing scale. DRBPSD 300 meatball cutter makes our work much simpler in its modernity. And this is a cutting saw. The automatic continuous tape offers a scanning system that helps achieve precisely weighted slices. Let's visit the Loligo squid processing factory, including many stages such as washing, sorting, freezing, and packaging, for export purposes only. With this machine, your family will have a wonderful BBQ. Automatic sawing machine for cutting frozen and fresh products with or without bones. The machine is compact and powerful, offering high productivity to each operator, precision in cut thickness, and above all maximum safety during use. This delicious bacon dish must be combined with some beer to make life interesting. AMF Trompe Power Shot Depositor for applying tomato and white sauce on pizza. Focaccia. And Pake's Trompe Power Shot Depositor dispenses smooth, targeted sauce onto pizzas with individually controlled volume and lanes. For application, use sauce before and after grilling. No product, no residue. Detection delivers improved accuracy, even during high-speed production. Is this your favorite dish? Do you know what kind of candy this is? Do you want to enjoy this giant fish head? Have you ever wondered how to build a beautiful and sustainable house? Let's explore and apply to create your perfect living space. Which kind have you made so smoothly and easily that it looks so beautiful? That is exactly what a construction professional would do to achieve a precise joint. My bro crushed it. He's using paint putty to fill the holes. Do you find this wood assembly worker's clever trick? Here is a woodworking tip you should use. What are they doing with that little groove with this tool? Please leave a comment here. Do you have any good tips about rulers? Please share with everyone in the comments section below. We appreciate your presence.
In today's special feature, we're turning our focus to the food industry's machines, the unsung heroes of culinary efficiency and innovation. A big shout out to our enthusiastic viewers. Your endless curiosity and unwavering support are the secret ingredients that make our exploration of these gastronomic giants so exhilarating. Get ready to buckle up and embark on an extraordinary journey into the realm of food industry machines. Here, the fusion of speed, precision, and technology orchestrates a symphony of productivity that's music to any food lover's ears. We're giving you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the machinery that pulses at the heart of the culinary world. Today, we'll unveil the wizardry that turns simple ingredients into the flavors that define our global cuisine, highlighting the incredible machines that ensure each morsel we enjoy is nothing short of perfect. Prepare to have your taste buds tantalized, your imagination sparked, and your appreciation for these culinary craftsmen deepened. This episode promises to be more than just informative. It's a feast for the senses, a captivating journey into the future of food production. Imagine a machine so precise it feels like a gourmet chef's right hand. slicing beef, pork, and cheese to perfection. This marvel of culinary technology ensures each slice is uniform, meeting the exact specifications desired, whether for a delicate charcuterie board or hearty sandwiches. It's not just a machine, it's a symphony of blades and precision, where every cut is a note in the delicious melody of meal preparation. With such a device, the kitchen transforms into a stage, and every meal becomes a performance, showcasing the beauty of perfectly sliced ingredients. It's a game changer for chefs and home cooks alike, turning the mundane task of cutting into an art form and making sure that in the world of cooking, size really does matter. This isn't just slicing, it's culinary perfection at the push of a button. First things first, let's talk frozen broccoli processing. It's not just freezing green trees. This is where broccoli gets its cool factor, turning farm fresh into freezer ready. It's a process that locks in freshness and flavor, making these vitamin-packed veggies convenient superstars. So next time you grab frozen broccoli, remember its cool journey. Love the video? Drop a 1 in the comments to let us know. No, not your cup of tea? Hit us with a 2, and we'll jazz it up. Thanks for riding along and supporting us. Continue your journey to learn interesting facts about Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, or Parmigiano Reggiano, originates from Italy, specifically the regions of Parma, Reggio Emilia, Modena, and parts of Mantua and Bologna. Parmigiano Reggiano is a protected designation of origin, PDO product. This means that only cheese produced in these specific areas, following strict guidelines, can be legally labeled as Parmigiano Reggiano. Parmesan cheese is known for its long aging process. It is typically aged for a minimum of 12 months, but some varieties can be aged 24 months or longer, leading to a deeper flavor. It's made from cow's milk, and the production process is quite traditional. The cheese is made using natural whey starter from the previous batch and rennet. Next, we have explosive facts about peas. Peas are one of the oldest cultivated vegetables, with evidence of pea cultivation dating back over 7,000 years in regions like the Middle East and Europe. There are several types of peas, including green peas, snow peas, and snap peas. Each type has its own unique flavor and texture. Peas are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese. They are also high in dietary fiber and protein, which makes them a filling and nutritious food choice. Please get a big bag for yourself. Shrimp is one of the most popular and loved seafood around the world. Here are some interesting facts about shrimp. There are more than 2,000 different species of shrimp in the world, living in saltwater and freshwater environments. Shrimp is a source of high-quality protein, is low in fat, and contains many vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, iodine, and omega-3. Shrimp can live in many different environments, from the shallow waters of the beach to the depths of the ocean. A master at creating a satisfying video, the automaton was a sight to behold. A reminder that sometimes seeing is truly believing. Its precise, fluid movements transformed mundane tasks into mesmerizing visual symphonies of captivating viewers with each elegantly executed action. Expertly navigating the world of mass production, this machine stood out as the undisputed champion, demonstrating that in terms of efficiency and productivity, it's in a class by itself, a true all-star in the manufacturing arena, seamlessly blending speed with precision to revolutionize the production line. Perfect. Effortlessly mastering mass production. The robot operated in its element, a realm where optimal efficiency and flawless execution converge, forging a spectacular display of technological prowess and production excellence. Excelling in the realm of mass production, the machine emerged as a standout performer, casting a brilliant light in an industry where average is frequently accepted, setting new benchmarks for efficiency and innovation. Let's come to the benefits of vegetables. Vegetables contain many vitamins, such as vitamin A, C, K, and minerals such as potassium, iron, and magnesium, which are essential for many body functions. Vitamins and antioxidants found in vegetables help strengthen the immune system and protect the body against diseases. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans, originating from Central and South America. The Mayans and Aztecs were the first to use cocoa beans. To make chocolate, cocoa beans are harvested, fermented, dried, roasted, and ground into cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is then combined with cocoa butter and sugar to create chocolate. There are three main types of chocolate: dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. Dark chocolate contains more cocoa and less sugar than milk chocolate. Chocolate, especially dark chocolate, is high in antioxidants like flavonoids, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve blood circulation. Let's discuss the issue of fast food. This is to provide a quick and convenient dining solution for busy people, often cheaper than restaurant meals. Today, many fast food restaurants offer healthier options, including salads, fruit, and vegetarian dishes. However, there are also many harmful effects. Contains lots of calories and fat, risk of chronic disease, contains lots of salt and sugar, causes addiction. It's a double-edged sword, offering convenience on one hand and health risks on the other. As consumers, making informed choices is key, balancing the need for convenience with the impact on our health. It's about finding that sweet spot between satisfying cravings and maintaining a healthy diet. One of the most modern pastry production lines in our country in the early years of the 21st century. This line embodies cutting-edge technology and innovation, streamlining the baking process to produce delectable sweets with unparalleled efficiency. It's a testament to how far we've come, blending tradition with modernity to satisfy our collective sweet tooth. This isn't just about making treats, it's about crafting joy and sharing flavors that bring smiles one batch at a time. This powerhouse of a machine can churn out a whopping 400 pounds of orecchiette in just 1 hour, making it the pasta king of efficiency and speed. It's like having a pasta party on steroids. As if it came out of a comic book. Recently, I have compiled a few cake videos. Please comment number 3 if you want to see them in one extremely long part. Breathing fresh air into mass production. This device is like a cool breeze on a hot day, showing that innovation isn't just about reinventing the wheel. It's about making the existing wheel roll smoother and faster. It's the unsung hero of efficiency, turning the mundane into something borderline miraculous. Proving that sometimes the best kind of new is a well-improved old, With this gadget, we're not just stepping up the game, we're changing it entirely. This contraption in mass production is a tech treasure, priceless in its productivity. It's the unsung hero in the background, making our lives easier and our businesses more efficient. With each part it produces, it's like striking gold in the realm of technology and innovation. This machine doesn't just work, it performs a ballet of mechanical precision, showcasing the pinnacle of engineering prowess. It's not just a piece of equipment, it's the heart of production, beating strong and steady, driving the future of manufacturing forward. Our neighbor bought this machine from Hostess Brands and considers it a treasure, even though it was manufactured in the 1970s. This video was shot around 2002. Great footage comes from Nabisco, part of Mondelez International. Nabisco produces popular cookies like Oreo and Chips Ahoy. Welcome to the sweetest corner of the world, the Gummy Candy Factory. Here in this candy land, we're not just making treats, we're crafting little bites of happiness. The process? It's a colorful and delicious ballet of sugar, gelatin, and a rainbow of flavors and colors, all coming together like a well-choreographed dance. From the moment the ingredients are mixed, it's like watching a symphony of sweetness. The mixture is heated, stirred, and then poured into whimsical molds that give each gummy its unique and fun shape. It's a bit like magic, where a gooey liquid transforms into chewy, bouncy gummies right before your eyes. But wait, there's more. After they take a little nap in their molds, these gummies take a tumble through a sugary shower, getting all dressed up in their shiny, sweet coats. A-game to mass production, the machine was a star, shining bright in a world where mediocrity is often the norm. It's the Michael Jordan of manufacturing, dunking efficiency, and precision with every move. In a sea of average, this machine's like a beacon of excellence, turning the mundane task of mass production into a show-stopping performance. It's not just making products, it's crafting masterpieces, leaving competitors eating its dust. Donuts became popular in America in the 19th century and have become an integral part of American culture. Although the traditional round shape with a hole in the middle is the most popular, donuts come in a variety of shapes and flavors. From simple glazed ones to those filled or covered in chocolate, caramel, and more. In our country, National Donut Day is celebrated on the first Friday of June every year to celebrate the history of donuts and honor those who serve our country's military. During World Wars I and II, donuts became part of the rations of American soldiers, and the Salvation Army's donut girls served donuts to soldiers. Dumplings have a history of more than 800 years. They are said to have been created by physician Zhang Zhongjing during the Han Dynasty as a cure. Dumplings are commonly eaten during the Lunar New Year in China and are considered a symbol of luck and fortune. Dumplings are often shaped like golden or silver tongues, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. We hope you've been dazzled by the ingenious machinery of the food industry, where technology and culinary arts intertwine to create culinary masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this savory adventure. Keep tuning in for more glimpses into the world of engineering marvels. Until next time, keep feeding your curiosity and your passion for the amazing world of machines. Bon appétit and farewell.